Hola clase, hoy vamos a hablar de los verbos gustar y encantar. Estos son verbos muy importantes en el español. So you should be writing on the paper that says los verbos gustar y encantar. That's your note sheet. Okay. Okay, definiciones. Gustar is to like, and encantar is to love. So if you have a singular subject, like I like cheese, you'd say, a mí me gusta el queso, or just me gusta el queso. So write all this down. The stuff in parentheses are optional phrases beginning with a. This is gustar with a singular subject. And the subject is the thing that you like. Okay, if I'm moving on too quickly, pause this thing real quick. So, we're going to write some example sentences. A mí me gusta la pizza. In English, that's, oh shoot. In English, that's I like pizza. I like pizza is what that means in English. Thought I had them translated here. Or if you want to say, I like to eat, a mí me gusta comer. So pizza is a singular thing I like. Comer is an infinitive, and it counts as a singular subject. I like to eat, a mí me gusta comer. All right, here's gustar for a plural subject. If I say like, I like strawberries. A mí me gustan las fresas. There's only one thing that's different. So the only difference is that instead of gusta, it's gustan with an N at the end. I still want you to write down all this stuff, even though there's just that slight change, because writing it down repetitively is one way that you'll start learning these forms. A mí me gustan, a ti te gustan, a él, a ella, or a usted le gustan, a nosotros nos gustan, or a nosotras nos gustan, a vosotros os gustan, or a vosotras os gustan. And then a ellos, a ellas, or a ustedes les gustan. Okay. Un ejemplo con un sujeto plural. A mí me gustan los huevos. En inglés, I like eggs. Ejemplo 2. A él le gustan las papas fritas. That means he likes French fries. Okay, encantar is to love. And you're going to see this is very repetitive. A mí me encanta, a ti te encanta, a él, a ella, or a usted le encanta. A nosotros or a nosotras nos encanta. A vosotros os encanta, or a vosotras os encanta. A ellos les encanta, a ellas les encanta, or a ustedes les encanta. If it's in parentheses, it's optional when you speak or write. Sometimes people say it, sometimes they don't. Okay, ejemplos. Nos encanta cantar. I could also say, a nosotros nos encanta cantar. And that means we love to sing. Ejemplo dos, te encanta el helado. En inglés, you love ice cream. Okay, encantar con sujeto plural. It's about the same thing. Just as we use gustan before a plural noun, we use encantan before a plural noun. A mí me encantan, a ti te encantan, a él le encantan, a ella le encantan, a usted le encantan, a nosotros nos encantan, a nosotras nos encantan, a vosotros os encantan, a vosotras os encantan, a ellos les encantan, a ellas les encantan, a ustedes les encantan. Ejemplos. A mí me encantan las hamburguesas. I love hamburgers. So before las hamburguesas, encantan is the form for that plural thing that I like. Or a ella, sorry if you heard that crash. A ella le encantan los caballos. I don't know how much background noise my microphone picked up. My kid's building, and we had a big collapse. A ella le encantan los caballos would mean she loves horses. All right, gustar and encantar when you use a name. This is the back side of your sheet now. You use the third person when gustar and encantar are used with names because you're talking about someone. So those bottom boxes. And the off phrase is not optional if you want to include a name with one of these verbs. So say you want to say Pepe likes cereal. The only correct way to say that is a Pepe le gusta el cereal. In English, I just say Pepe likes cereal. I don't say Pepe likes the cereal. In Spanish, when you use the verb gustar or encantar, you put el, la, los, or las before the verb. A Jimena le gustan las papas fritas. Jimena is a lady's name in Spanish. So Jimena likes French fries. El cereal is singular, so gusta. Las papas fritas is plural, so gustan. Okay, a Pablo y a Francisco les encanta la fruta. If you have two people, you put a before both names, and you use the plural les. And here we have a mis hermanos les encanta el té. So mis hermanos is my brothers. My brothers love tea. Here, even though hermanos isn't a name, it's a third-person phrase referring to a person, and we use a before it. And the pronoun les is plural for this plural one. Les plural because Pablo and Francisco are plural. Okay, so the structure is very different between English and Spanish for expressing things that you like or love. If I translated literally those two sentences on your sheet there, me gustan los colores would mean the colors are pleasing to me. So the subject of the sentence is the colors. Me please the colors is an actual grammatical, like it is in the same syntactical like order. Me encantan los colores. The colors are enchanting to me. So this means that the person who likes or loves a given thing is not the subject, but is the indirect object. A mí me gusta la pizza. Pizza is pleasing to me. In English, I say I like pizza, and I am the subject of the sentence. I like pizza. But in Spanish, the subject of the sentence is pizza. Pizza is pleasing to me. See? Okay. Ooh. So I already gave that away. So in the sentence, me gustan los sábados, what would the subject be? In English, this is I like Saturdays. But in the Spanish sentence, the subject is going to be los sábados, Saturdays. Los sábados is the subject, or in English, Saturdays would be the subject of that sentence. So the subject of the sentence comes after the verb in sentences in Spanish with gustar and encantar. Me gustan los perros. The subject of that sentence is los perros. I like dogs. Dogs are pleasing to me. And the verbs gustar and encantar are conjugating according to whether the subject is singular or plural. The subject comes after the verb, so the word coming after the verb tells us whether we are going to use gusta before a singular subject, and gustan before a plural subject. If you use an infinitive, something that you like to do, then they count as a singular subject, so you use gusta or encanta before an infinitive. For example, a Luisa le encanta aprender. Luisa loves to learn. Aprender, to learn, is the subject of the sentence, and encanta is in that singular form, encanta, rather than that plural form of encantan. Okay, some practice. Try on your paper to write the sentence, Alberto loves to dance. You may want to flip over to the front of your sheet. Alberto loves to dance would be, a Alberto le encanta bailar. If you use a name, you need a before it. One person in the third person, you put le right before the verb. The verb is encanta in the singular form because bailar is an infinitive, and we use encanta or gusta before an infinitive. Next up, Francisca likes dogs. That would be, a Francisca le gustan los perros. Again, with a name, we put a before it. One name, singular, third person, le. Gustan is the plural form before the plural subject of los perros. We like salad. So a nosotros is optional. You could include it or skip it. You need nos, no matter what. Gusta is the verb form before la ensalada, singular noun. A nosotros nos gusta la ensalada. Last one, I love cats. The phrase a mí is optional, but you need me. Verb is encantan. That's the plural ending before the subject los gatos, a plural noun. So this structure is really important and somewhat difficult. Important to go back over these notes a couple of times and make sure you understand this concept. Gracias, clase. Adiós.